Thank you. Conversation is like, on one hand, one says that studying in madrasa is great. On another hand, another one says studying.
Hi, Mr. Ilyas.
Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Dastagir. Long time no see. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Mr. Ilyas. How about you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Where are you studying?
I'm studying in Loyola Public School. By the way, where are you studying?
I am studying in Madrasa, Jamia Manba'ul Huda. What brings you here?
Just to see you after a long time. How is Madrasa? Is everything fine with Madrasa?
Alhamdulillah, everything is fine with Madrasa.
However, I don't think studying in Madrasa makes a difference in student life.
Okay, then I am going to convince you that studying in Madrasa makes so much difference in a student life.
Then, I'm going to object to the statement that studying in Madrasa makes a difference.
Studying in Madrasa provides a knowledge in Islamic activities like attending namaz 5 times a day and reading the Holy Quran.
Even if you don't join in Madrasa, you can get to know all of these.
In my opinion, studying in Madrasa is so special.
What is so special about studying in Madrasa?
Every student who joins this Madrasa receives the two educations simultaneously which they don't get outside the Madrasa.
Are you saying that if you join Madrasa, just to receive two educations?
Not like that. In Madrasa, every student gets to know the good qualities like respecting parents and treating everyone with honor.
Our teachers are also teaching the same in our school. Then, it makes no difference.
Apart from Arabic, we are taught Urdu, Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science and everything.
Then, can I ask you some questions in your subject?
Surely you can.
Do you know about sound lesson?
Yes, I know.
How sound is measured?
The sound is measured in decibels.
Well said. Then, let me ask you another question.
Okay.
Do you know mathematics?
Yes, I know.
What is the formula of Pythagoras?
Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square.
Well said. Now I realize that you are able to learn both educations simultaneously in Madrasa.
Moreover, during our stay in Madrasa, we feel that we are closer to the Allah, the most merciful, and we get to learn so many issues that we can't learn outside the world.
Through you, I have learned so many things. Finally, I am fully convinced that it is most useful for every student to study in Madrasa.
I am so happy that you are convinced.
I do feel like joining Madrasa very soon.
Inshallah,
We have no time to discuss further.
if Allah permits, let's meet again.
Thank you.
You are most welcome.